Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next tutorials. And guys, I'm on Instagram. You guys can follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and it's coming here right now. I'm so active on Instagram nowadays because of lockdown. So active, okay? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie beautiful Arabic style SHEMAGH, okay? The SHEMAGH I'm tying right now. The same tutorial I'm going to show you. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful SHEMAGH. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments, and share this tutorial with your old friends. So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.